Today I'm going to teach you how to bulk add members in Microsoft Teams. This is a fantastic feature that saves you tons of time when you need to bring multiple people into a team at once, whether it's for a new project, department collaboration, or company-wide initiative. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your Microsoft Teams application and log in to your account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials associated with your organization's workspace. This step is essential because you need proper permissions to add members to a team, so ensure you're signed in with an account that has the necessary access rights. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left side of your screen. Here you'll see several navigation options. Click on the option labeled Teams. This will take you to an overview of all the teams you're currently part of or managing. The Teams section is your central hub for accessing all your collaborative workspaces within the platform. Now, you need to find the specific team where you want to bulk add members. Scroll through your list of teams and locate the one you're working with. This could be a project team, a department team, or any other group you're managing. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct team before proceeding, as you want to ensure you're adding members to the right workspace. Once you've identified the team, look for the three dots located beside the team name. These three dots represent additional options and settings for that particular team. Click on them to reveal a drop-down menu with various actions you can take. From this menu, click on Add Members. This opens up the interface specifically designed for adding new people to your team. Now comes the bulk adding part. In the field that appears, input a name or email address of the person you want to add to the team. The great thing about this feature is that you don't have to add people one at a time and confirm after each entry. Instead, you can input as many names or email addresses as you want in succession. Simply type in one, then move to the next, and keep going until you've entered everyone you need to add to the team. This streamlined approach is what makes bulk adding so efficient and time-saving. Once you've finished entering all the names or email addresses of the members you want to add, click the Add button. This action will send invitations to all the people you've listed, granting them access to the team. They'll receive notifications and be able to join the team's conversations, access shared files, and participate in meetings. And that's it. You've successfully bulk added members to your Microsoft Teams workspace, making collaboration easier and more inclusive. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.